Welcome to Brainetainment, your ultimate hub for health, wellness, and fascinating facts. Oral health. A bright white smile is more than just a vanity symbol. It's a reflection of your well-being, a sign of good hygiene, and a confidence booster. But how do you maintain that radiant smile without resorting to harsh chemical treatments? Well, that's exactly what we're here to discuss. We will be exploring 10 natural techniques to whiten your teeth and keep that smile glowing. Starting off with technique number 1, oil pulling. Oil pulling is an age-old remedy rooted in Ayurvedic medicine that uses natural substances to cleanse and detoxify teeth and gums. It's a traditional Indian remedy meant to improve oral health and cleanse the body of toxins. The process is quite simple. You swish a spoonful of oil, typically coconut, sesame or sunflower oil, in your mouth on an empty stomach for about 20 minutes. Then spit it out and rinse well with warm water. For best results, you could finish off with a thorough brush. Why, you ask? Well, the oil possesses natural antibiotic and antiviral properties that brighten and clean teeth, keeping them pearly white. It's also said to aid in killing harmful bacteria in the mouth and improving gum health. So not only does it whiten your teeth, but it promotes good oral health as well. Oil pulling is an effective and natural way to keep your teeth white and your oral health top-notch. Moving on to technique number 2, brushing with baking soda. Now, baking soda is not just for cooking or cleaning around your home, it's also a great natural teeth whitening agent. This is because it's a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on your teeth. Furthermore, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth which prevents bacteria from growing. But how exactly do you brush with baking soda? Simply mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. Do this a few times a week. However, be sure not to overuse this method as it can wear down your tooth enamel over time. And just like that, you're using a household ingredient to brighten your smile. This is not an immediate solution, but you will notice a difference in the whiteness of your teeth over a period of several weeks. Brushing with baking soda can significantly improve your teeth's whiteness over time. Next up is technique number 3, eating fruits and vegetables. A radiant smile can be as simple as incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. These natural powerhouses not only contribute to your overall well-being, but they can also act as natural teeth whiteners. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery can work as natural toothbrushes. The crunch factor helps scrub away stubborn stains on your teeth while stimulating saliva production, your mouth's built-in cleaning agent. Furthermore, the high water content in these fruits and vegetables helps to wash away food particles and bacteria, maintaining that pearly glow. Citrus fruits, despite their acidity, are also beneficial. Oranges and pineapples, for instance, encourage saliva production, which helps to keep your teeth clean and white. Strawberries, despite their natural sweetness, contain malic acid, a natural enamel whitener. Remember, a healthy diet equals a healthy smile, so keep crunching those fruits and veggies for a brighter, whiter smile. Now, let's dive into techniques 4, 5, and 6. Hydrogen peroxide, apple cider vinegar, and preventing stains. Kicking things off with hydrogen peroxide, this is a natural bleaching agent that also kills bacteria in your mouth. You can use it as a mouthwash before brushing your teeth. Just make sure to dilute it to a safe concentration of 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 2 parts water. When you swish it around your mouth, you might be surprised by the slight fizzing sensation. This is the hydrogen peroxide at work, eliminating harmful bacteria and whitening your teeth. Next up, we have apple cider vinegar. It's been used for centuries as a disinfectant and natural cleaning product. The acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, kills bacteria effectively. However, it can also lead to enamel erosion if used too often. Thus, it's recommended to use apple cider vinegar sparingly, perhaps once or twice a week. And don't forget to rinse your mouth thoroughly afterwards to protect your tooth enamel. Lastly, let's talk about preventing stains. This is more of a preventative measure rather than a whitening technique. But remember, prevention is better than cure. Your food and beverage choices play a significant role in the color of your teeth. Consuming a lot of dark beverages like coffee, tea, and red wine can lead to teeth discoloration over time. The same goes for eating foods rich in color like berries or curry. So, it's wise to limit the intake of these items. When you do consume them, try to brush your teeth soon afterwards to prevent the stains from settling in. These techniques are not only effective, but are also easy to incorporate into your daily routine. And remember, consistency is key. It might take a little time before you start to see the results, but your patience will be rewarded with a brighter, healthier smile. So keep at it and let your smile shine. Finally, we come to techniques 7 to 10, regular brushing and flossing, limiting sugar intake, quitting smoking, and regular dental checkups. Let's start with something basic, yet pivotal: regular brushing and flossing. It's not just about keeping bad breath at bay. No, it's much more than that. Brushing twice a day and flossing once helps remove plaque and prevent tooth decay, thus maintaining the natural whiteness of your teeth. It's a simple routine that pays off with a gleaming smile. Next up, limiting sugar intake. You've probably heard this one before, but it's worth repeating. Sugar is a prime contributor to tooth decay, which leads to discoloration. Now, this doesn't mean you have to give up sweets entirely, but moderation is key. Opt for fresh fruits when the sweet tooth kicks in, and remember to rinse your mouth or brush your teeth afterwards. Moving on to a more challenging but hugely beneficial step: quitting smoking. We all know the health hazards that come with smoking, but it's also a major culprit behind yellow teeth. Tobacco causes stubborn stains that are hard to remove and dulls your smile. So, by quitting smoking, not only do you improve your overall health, but you also take a big leap towards a brighter smile. Last, but definitely not least, regular dental checkups. Even with perfect at-home dental care, professional cleanings are essential. Dentists have tools and techniques to remove stubborn stains and tartar buildup that regular brushing can't handle. Plus, they can spot potential issues early, helping you maintain your dental health and that dazzling smile. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can go a long way in preserving your smile. It may seem like a lot, but remember, it's not about drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, consistent efforts that add up over time. So keep that smile bright and healthy, because it's one of the first things people notice about you. And with these techniques, you have all the tools you need to keep it shining. So there you have it, 10 natural teeth whitening techniques that can help brighten your smile. Let's do a quick recap. We started with oil pulling, an age-old technique that not only promotes oral hygiene but also helps in teeth whitening. It's as simple as swishing a spoonful of oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes and then spitting it out. We then moved on to brushing with baking soda, an ingredient that you probably already have in your pantry. Baking soda is a natural whitening agent and can help scrub away surface stains on your teeth. Next, we talked about the importance of eating fruits and vegetables. Crunchy, fresh produce like apples and carrots can act like natural toothbrushes, helping to scrub away stains and improve your overall oral health. In our journey of natural teeth whitening, we also discussed the use of hydrogen peroxide, a natural bleaching agent, and apple cider vinegar, known for its antibacterial properties. We touched on the importance of preventing stains before they happen by limiting intake of staining foods and drinks. We moved towards the end of our list with regular brushing and flossing, limiting sugar intake, quitting smoking, and regular dental checkups. These might seem like the basics, but they are extremely crucial in maintaining a bright and healthy smile. Remember, all these techniques are natural and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, but it's important to note that results won't show overnight. Consistency and patience are key here. In the end, it's not just about having whiter teeth, but about maintaining a healthy oral hygiene routine. A bright smile is as much about having healthy teeth and gums as it is about their color. Don't forget to subscribe to Brainy Tainment for more health and wellness tips. Remember, a bright smile is just a few natural techniques away.